Friends, welcome to Gyno Talk. I am Dr. Safina Anas, Specialist Gynecologist at Aster Hospital, Dubai. Today I will discuss travel during pregnancy. Is travel during pregnancy safe? For most women, travel during pregnancy is safe. As long as you and your baby are healthy, you can travel safely until you are 36 weeks pregnant. When is the best time to travel? The best time to travel is the middle of your pregnancy, between 14 and 28 weeks. When travel is not recommended. Traveling is not recommended if you have certain pregnancy complications leading to preeclampsia, preterm labor and premature rupture of membrane. Traveling may not be a good idea if you are pregnant with more than one fetus. Are there areas that you should avoid traveling while you are pregnant? Travel is not recommended for pregnant women to the areas where Zika virus outbreaks are going on and also to the malaria endemic areas. Is deep vein thrombosis a concern for pregnant travelers? Yes. Deep vein thrombosis is a condition where blood clots form in the veins in the leg or other areas of the body. DVT can lead to a dangerous condition called pulmonary embolism. Sitting or not moving for long period of time, such as during long distance travel, can increase the risk of DVT. The following steps help to reduce the risk of DVT. Drink lot of fluid, wear loose fitting clothes, walk and stretch at regular intervals. While traveling by car, you can make frequent stops to get out and stretch your legs. What should you do before going on a trip? Schedule a checkup with your doctor before you leave. Bring over-the-counter medications that you may need, such as pain relievers, a first aid kit, hemorrhoid ointment, prenatal vitamins and other prescribed medicines. Know your estimated due date. Think about how long it will take to get to your final destination. The fastest way is often the best. Some tips for traveling by car. Make each day's travel as short as possible. Wear your seat belt. Buckle the belt low on your hip bone below your belly. Place the shoulder belt to the side of your belly and across the center of your chest. Make frequent stops so that you can move around and stretch your legs. Tips for traveling by plane. Keep your due date in mind when booking your flight. Complete your flight before you reach 36 weeks. You may need a medical certificate for the fitness for travel. For international flights, the cutoff point is often earlier, sometime as early as 28 weeks. So check your airline policy when planning your trip. When should you seek emergency medical care while traveling? In case of vaginal bleeding, abdominal pain, rupture of membrane, severe vomiting or diarrhea, severe headache, or if there are signs of deep vein thrombosis. Hope this information is useful to you. See you next time with another topic. Thank you.